Just now. Hello. Hello everyone. Good
Hello.
morning to you all. Hi.
Good morning.
Okay, I'm going to start today's session. Okay, let's start now. Okay, yesterday I taught how to draw strong levels. Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to trade on strong levels. Okay, again I'm drawing strong levels here. So you can see this is Euro AD chart. Okay, this is price bar. I'm drawing the level near to price bar. So there is a level here and you need to go with the past history to draw strong levels, or you can draw some lines in the present chart and you can find the strongness of this level, or you can draw Fibonacci tool and you can identify the strong level which line is working most of the time. Okay, so there is no perfect level here. Okay, I will switch to another chart. Okay, I'm drawing here a Fibonacci line, higher high, lower low. So now you can check the level, the strong level here. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. Okay. So I think this level and this level, these two lines are working. Okay, I'm going to remove it. Okay, we can adjust the level according to the market. This one and this one. Okay, this one. So this is breakout, it reversed, breakout reversed, reversed, yeah, reversed from the same level. Okay, it is working, and the bow line, okay, reversed, breakout. Okay, it is also working, but this level is working very good. Okay, it is working almost every time. Okay, you can trade on this level. I'm removing the bow level. So you can consider this as a strong level. Not all lines are strong lines. Here, Fibonacci lines. Not all lines are strong lines. Only the 38.2 level only working every time. You can consider this level as a strong level because these all lines will work as support and resistance, but this one 38.2 level only working as strong level here. So you can consider this 38.2 as a strong level here, or you can go with past history and you can check whether the level is working or not, and you can draw near to price bar in the past history and you can check the level, the strong level. You can identify the strong level manually, or you can draw like this also. Okay, you can see it's working. Okay, this level is working almost every time. You can consider this level as a strong level. Okay. Now today the topic is how to trade on strong levels. how to trade on strong levels. Okay, I will I will give you three rules. If you follow the three rules, you can trade. You can get some good winning ratio while trading on strong levels. Now I will draw here. The first rule is in the direction of the trend. Always trade in the direction of the trend. I mean, always follow the trend. If you follow the trend, you will get some good winning ratio. I will explain why you need to follow the trend. I will explain here. 1 minute. Just hold on. Okay. Here I'm going to give you three rules to trade on strong levels. Okay, I'm again explaining you. This is the strong level. You identify the strong level like this. Okay, and I will adjust the level. Just wait. Okay. Okay. Okay, you can trade on this level, but in the direction of the trend. In the direction means this is downtrend. This is downtrend. You can trade with lower option in the downtrend because I will explain you here. Okay, you can see this is small minor uptrend. This is small minor uptrend. When you go with the trend, you have so many opportunities to win. Okay? Only in the uptrend. Okay, this is only for example. I'm explaining you here. This is only for example. If you go with the trend, you have so many opportunities to trade. When you go against the trend, you have only two opportunities. Okay? This one and this one. So you always follow the trend. If you want to get some good winning ratio, you must follow the trend. You must trade in the direction of the trend. Just wait. Yeah. You must follow the trend. If you want to get some good winning ratio, you must follow the trend. Yeah, again I will explain here. So you can see the downtrend started from this place and it ended here. So I will show you. You can see the market is following the trend like this. Okay, you can see this is the trend. This is actual trend is it is moving like this. Again, it will go more up and reverse, but it didn't go up. It reversed from the same place. It means the uptrend is completed here. The uptrend is completed here. Hello, Abhi. Did I miss anything? No, no, Amshi. Just now I started. Okay, you can see this is small minor trend. The market is moving like this. This is the trend, but here the market reversed from this place. It reversed from this place. It means the uptrend is completed here. This small uptrend is completed here. Trend is completed. It is reversing from this area. So now again the market is following the major trend from this place. So this is downtrend. The downtrend started from this place and ended here. So you can see this is the market is following this trend. Again it must go down, but it didn't go down, it reversed from this level. It means the market is not following the trend. This is actual trend, but the market is not following the trend. It break this level here. It means it started to go up from this level. It is not following the trend. It break this level. The uptrend is starting from this level, right? But actual the level is here. So this is downtrend, started here, closed here. So in this downtrend, if you want to trade in the direction of trend, if you trade in the direction of the trend, you have so many opportunities. Okay? When you go with the trend, you have so many opportunities here. There are lots of opportunities. Okay? There are more possibility to win your trade when you go with the trend. But when you go against the trend, you have very few opportunities to win your trades. Okay, so you must follow the trend to get some good winning ratio. Always, when this is downtrend, always trade with lower option. When it is uptrend, always trade with higher option, but always trade at the strong level. Always trade in the direction of the trend and at the strong level. Always trade with confirmation. I will show you how to take confirmation. And these 2 points, number one is always trade in the direction of trend. In the direction means this is downtrend, always trade with lower option. Always trade at the strong level. This is strong level. Always trade in the direction at the strong level. Okay, I will show you now how to trade. I will show you some examples here. Okay, you can see this is downtrend, right? This is downtrend. It breaks this level. Okay, okay, this is uptrend, right? This is uptrend. In the uptrend, again it goes down and again it breaks this level. So this is strong level. We already check this point as a strong level. We identify this as a strong level. This is uptrend. In this uptrend, you must trade in the direction. In the direction means higher option, but where? At the strong level. Okay, at the strong level. At this level, you need to place in the direction of the trend with higher option. You can see this candle can't break this level, right? This candle can't break this level. You can trade on the next candle with confirmation. I will show you how to take confirmation. I will explain. But this is very strong candle. It's better to avoid this type of avoid trade after this candle, because this is very strong candle and this is very strong level. This is very strong level. It means when market close above the level, it will reverse. This is strong candle. It means when market come to this level strongly, it may break this level. These 2 points are opposite to each other, right? These 2 points are opposite to each other. It means it's better to avoid to trade at this area, because uh, by this point we can trade with higher option. By this point we can trade with lower option. So we can't take any decision after this candle. But this is very strong candle. When market close below the level, it means it will reverse. 90% of the time it will reverse, because this is strong level. And you can trade here with confirmation. And if you want to trade on the next line in the same direction, you can't trade on in the same direction again. You can trade here, you can't trade here, because it is trying to break this level, failed. Again it is trying, it means it may break this level here. may break this level, or here, because the market is trying to break this level here, here, and here. It means the market is trying, means it may break this level. So you can trade here for the first time. You can't trade in the same direction again. If you want to trade here, you need to wait for the breakout. When market break this level, it will again come to same level, and you can trade here in the direction. The direction means this is downtrend. You can trade here. Just wait. The rule for as avoiding strong candles, strong level. Okay. Okay, just wait. Okay, no need to follow the fourth rule as avoiding strong candles at strong level. Most of the time it will reverse even it's strong, because that is very strong. This is very strong level. Most of the time it will reverse, but sometimes it may break the level. You can see it reversed at the same level. It reversed at the same level. This is very strong level. It reversed, but you can see here it didn't reverse here. Okay, it didn't reverse here. So most of the time it will reverse, but sometimes it may not reverse from this level. You can trade on the strong level also, strong candles also, it's not a problem. But here you can see this is the actual level, but the buyers shifted their level from here to here. Now this is the level, that's why it reverts from the same level. And once you trade here, don't trade in the same direction again and again. Trade only for the first time, don't trade on the second time, but trade with confirmation. I will explain how to take confirmation. No need to follow fourth rule. Okay, this is the strong level, so you need to trade in the direction. Okay, you can see this is downtrend, right? This is downtrend, this is minor downtrend. You can trade here, right? This is very strong level, right? This candle, this is very strong candle. This candle closed below the level with rejection. You can trade on the next candle in the direction. In the direction means lower option. Just wait. Okay. In the direction means lower option. You can trade here in the direction of the trend. In the because just wait. Okay. Just wait. Hello. Okay. You can see this candle closed below the level with rejection. This is breakout because it is trying here, and again it reverses from this level, and again the sellers trying to break this level. It means it may break this level because it is trying to break this level again and again. When market is trying to break this level again and again, it means it may break this level at any time. Okay, you can see this is the breakout. You can see when market closed below the level with rejection, the next candle reversed. But you can trade here with confirmation. I will show you the confirmation. Just wait. The market is not good actually. Okay, we already got one confirmation in the previous candle. This is the confirmation, and when market come to this level, sellers entered. This is the confirmation for sellers, and again we got one confirmation in the previous candle. In the present candle, there is no confirmation here because we can't take this small candle as a confirmation, but sometimes we can also take this as a confirmation because we already got one strong confirmation in the previous candle. Just wait. Okay, we already got one strong candle in the previous candle, and this one also, So, okay, you can take this as a confirmation, but you can't take this as a confirmation. You can find another candle and another candle, you can trade. It's very good to trade. Okay, but this is not a confirmation candle. I will show you, uh, I will explain about confirmation candles. You can't trade here actually. This is not confirmation, but this is downtrend. We are placing our trade in the direction of trend, but we can take that as a confirmation. Okay, this is breakout. I think there is no confirmation in this candle because this is very weak candle. Okay, this is downtrend. You can trade here. The minor trend also downtrend. You can trade after this candle because this candle closed below the level with rejection. So if you get one good confirmation, you can trade. So you can see here this candle closed below the level with rejection. You can trade on the next candle if you get one good confirmation. You can trade here because this is strong level. This is breakout. It reversed from the same level. But just wait. So this is not good market. Just wait. Yes, how to spot the right confirmation. Okay, I will explain. Just wait. Stan, I already explained you about the confirmation, and I will again explain. Okay, I will check here the confirmation. The candle must close below the level with rejection. If you want to trade at the strong level, the candle must close below the level like this or like this. Okay, but you can't trade after this candle. If you get one good candle like this with rejection, the candle close below the level with rejection, you can trade on the next candle with confirmation, but the candle must close below the level with rejection, then it will reverse from the same level like this. Okay, like this you can trade. Just wait, I will check it. Okay, I think there is no confirmation first in the first 30 seconds here. Okay, you can see this is the candle. Yeah, this is a candle, this is red candle. Okay, this is not confirmation candle. This one, just wait. So this is red candle, right? This is red candle. This is the opening price, this is the closing price. Yeah, this is red candle here, and again this is another candle. This is opening price, this is closing price, but there is no confirmation. This is very small confirmation, I think, and we can't trade with this type of confirmation. You can trade this as a confirmation. You can trade this, you can take this as a confirmation. This is the confirmation candle. You can take this type of candles. This is very weak candle. You can't take this weak candles as a confirmation. So you can't trade here, and this is very strong candle. You can't take this as a confirmation. I will show you, just wait. And the market is not good here. One minute. Okay, I will show you here about confirmation candles. You can see you can't take this this candle as a confirmation. You can see this is very strong candle. Even this is very strong candle. You can't take this as a confirmation. This is not confirmation candle. This is not a confirmation candle because this is not a confirmation candle. This is okay. You can't take this as a confirmation. This is very weak candle. These are very weak candles. Weak candles can't move the price. They can't move the price go or down because these are very weak. Weak means there is no strength in it, right? These are very weak candles. You can't trade with weak candles because it may reverse or it may go up because these are very weak candle. This can't move the price here. You can see this is very strong candle. This is very strong candle. You can see there are some weak candles. The market reversed, right? Because this is very weak candle. You can see here. This is weak candle. These are weak candles. You can't take this as a confirmation candle. When weak candle form, it means market will reverse at this area. Okay, these are weak candles. Weak candles didn't work. We can't take weak candles as a confirmation candles. And this is strong candle. We can't take very two big candles as a confirmation because these strong candles works as reversal candles almost 70% of the time. 70% of the time it will reverse the market. Okay, you can see here this is very strong candle, it reversed, right? This is very strong candle, it reversed. This is very strong candle, it reversed. So strong candles works as a reversal candlesticks. Almost 70% of the time it works as a reversal candlesticks. I will explain, I will show you some more examples. Don't take strong candles as a confirmation. Always take this type of candles or this 2-1. Okay, you can take this as a confirmation. You can see the medium type of candles. You can take this as a confirmation. It will work. When you trade, when you take this as a confirmation, it may be late entry for you. Okay, you may lose your trade when you trade with this type of confirmation. Okay, when you trade with this type of confirmation, you may lose your trade. 1 minute. Hello.
నా ఆడియో ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుందన్న రావట్లేదు మొబైల్లో కనెక్ట్ చేస్తే.
I can't hear your voice.
యా
Okay, what is the problem?
పవర్ పోయిందన్న, అది ఆన్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఆన్ అయిన తర్వాత వాయిస్ రావట్లేదు, రిక్వెస్ట్ తీసుకోవట్లేదు సిస్టమ్.
Okay, ఇప్పుడు okay?
ఇప్పుడు
Okay. Okay, listen here. Okay, you can see. Okay, I will again explain. You can't take this strong candle as a confirmation because 70% of the time strong candle will reverse the market. Okay, you can see 70% of the time it will reverse the market. Okay, 70% of the time it will reverse the market. These strong candles works as a reversal candlesticks 70% of the time, and only 30% it will continue the market. You can see in my videos I choose these strong candles as a reversal candlesticks most of the time because this is Maraboji candle. It will reverse the market most of the time. It will reverse the market. So you can't take this 1 minute. Thank you, sir. You can't take this as a, you can't take these candles as a confirmation. This one also, these are very weak candles. You can't take these weak candles as a confirmation. Always take this type of confirmation and this one too. Sometimes you can take this one too, this one and this one. So these are strong candles. We can take this as a confirmation candles. So do we always wait for the candle to close below the level even if you see good confirmation and trade with confirmation at the next candle? you always trade on the next candle. When market close below the level, just wait, I will show you. The candle must close below the level with rejection. I already told you, Henry. The candle must close below the level with rejection, and on the next candle you can trade in the direction of the trend. Okay, if you want to trade here at the level, this is breakout. Again, market came to this level. This candle closed below the level with rejection. You can trade on the next candle. You can trade on the next candle. Multiple candle, reversal candle, or continuation. Marubuji candle is a reversal candlestick. Most of the time, it will work as a reversal. I will explain here. Okay, you can see here. This is Marubuji candle. Okay, it reversed. Okay, you can see this is Marubuji candle. It reversed.
Hello, bro. I have a question.
Yes, who is this?
It's Imran.
Imran. Yes, yes, Imran.
Yeah, bro. Move your chart little bit right to your right.
I didn't get you. Move.
Move the chart little bit right.
Move the chart.
Yeah, bro.
Move the chart little bit right.
Okay, zoom it in. Okay, bro. Bro, can you see
What is
that
your question?
the green candle here?
This one. Draw here. You can have the option here. Annotation.
Okay.
In the options there are a option, annotation option. You can draw here. You can click on draw and select first option, and you can draw. Which one? This one.
Yeah, bro. This one. What if this green candle closed at the resistance line? Does it make any difference?
Can you draw here? You have option.
Where is that option?
You have annotation option. I think it is bottom of the screen.
And notation. Bro, I can't find it. Where
Or
is it?
top of, yes, on
Top of the screen.
top of the screen. Annotation.
Top of the screen.
Okay, view options, top
Okay,
screen.
bro, got it. Draw.
ఓకే
This
వంశీ
candle,
నీ
bro.
ఆప్షన్ రెండు డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటాయి నువ్వే చెక్ చేసుకో
This candle, bro. I'm talking about this green candle.
దిస్ స్క్రీన్ క్యాండిల్ ఓకే
What if this
దిస్ క్యాండిల్
green candle close at the resistance line?
ఎస్ ఇట్
Does it
క్లోజ్
make
బిలో
any
ది
difference?
లెవెల్
It didn't broke that level, just closed at the
ఎస్
resistance line. Now it's working
ఎస్
as a
ఎస్
support resistance. So
ఎస్
does it make any difference?
నో డిఫరెన్స్ బ్రో దిస్ క్యాండిల్ క్లోజ్డ్ బిలో ది లెవెల్ with rejection. It means this is strong level. It means when market come to this level, the market reverse. This is the reversal point. Strong level means reversal
So
point,
just
and this
imagine
is
that
don't
this
trend.
candle has no upper wick. This candle has no upper wick, and it closed at the resistance line with no upper wick, just like a Marubozu
Which
candle.
okay, okay. It will also works as a reversal candlestick. Okay, Marubuji candle. I will show you. Just wait. If this candle closed,
Like this one, right here, this candle.
which one? This one. If
This.
this candle closed like this, it will also reverse the market.
And does it make any difference that this candle closed in between this resistance line? What if this candle closed under the resistance line, the first resistance? What if this candle closed here?
The- it may close here, there is no problem, okay, but it can't close here, okay, above the level. It can close here, it may close here, uh, it can be closed here or here, there is no problem, but this candle should not close above the level. because when this candle close above the level, it means this is a breakout candle, right?
Yeah, this is a breakout candle. If it
Yes.
closed
If
above
this is the
this
breakout
resistance
candle,
line.
this candle closed above the level, right?
Yeah,
But this candle closed below the level with rejection. It means it, this candle couldn't break this level, right?
yeah,
Because of the seller's pressure. You can see the seller's pressure here. So it reversed. So Marubuji candle always works as a reversal candlestick. Most of the time it will reverse the market. Most of the
also,
time
bro,
it will reverse
I
the
have
market.
another question.
Yes.
What if this red candle, this hammer looks like red candle? Uh,
Which
what
one?
if, what happened
Okay.
if it was a spinning top?
This one.
Yeah, bro, that means sellers are weak here. If it was a
Yes.
spinning top, then a green candle, that means sellers are weak here and buyers may want to break this resistance line. If this candle, if this red candle, if this red
Yes.
hammer candle,
Hammer. Hmm.
instead of red
This
hammer
candle.
candle, if it is a
If there is a,
spinning
if
top,
it would be a spinning top.
then this label may be break. Then buyers may break this line because sellers were
No,
weak
no,
here,
no,
right?
no, 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 no. Some it depends upon the real traders. It depends upon their decision. If there are so many buyers here, it will close like this, right? This candle will close like this, but there are no enough buyers to break this level, right? There
Yeah,
are no enough buyers, and this is downtrend. You can see this is strong buyers area, right? There are so many buyers, not buyers, there are so many sellers, right? There are so many sellers, and there are some buyers who are interested to enter into the market. They entered. You can see the bullish candle, strong bullish, but they couldn't break this level because there is no enough buyers to break this level, right? But
yeah,
here we can find some good buyers, right? Strong buyers. That's why they break this level. But there are no enough buyers to break this level. It means there are very few buyers, and this is downtrend, and this is strong level. Strong level means reversal point, and there is a rejection from sellers. So if you find one confirmation on the next candle, you can trade. Okay, there are more possibilities to win the trade because this is downtrend, this is rejection, enough buyers, and this is strong sellers, uh, some strong sellers
strong
movement.
sellers movement, bro. But I am
Yes,
talking about what if this strong this area sellers got weak. Okay,
in this area. Why this
in
sell?
this area, sellers
Okay,
are weak. If these three candles
okay,
were weak sellers candle, then a buyer's
okay.
candle appear like this. Uh, does it change my decision
I
to
can't
go
get
with
your
the
question
buyers?
actually. After this candle,
Imagine
so many
that these
people.
three red candles are weak sellers candle
Okay,
rather than these
like
strong
this,
three red candles
like this.
like this one. Then this
Okay,
green candle appear. So
yes.
still we should go for a put here after this green candle, that this one.
Just wait. Okay, if this market reverse from this level, can we trade on the
With
next
a
candle with the higher option, right?
yeah, bro.
Is this your question, right?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, that is my question.
Okay, you can't trade here quickly after the breakout. Okay, you can trade here because the market goes some more down and it reversed. I will show you. Okay, you can see here. This is the breakout. You can't trade on the next candle like this. Okay, if you see the candle like this, you can't trade here because uh, sometimes it may break this level. If market reverse quickly on this level, it may break this level, right? Because it is again trying. So there are some I think there are some three candles difference here, three four candles, So we can trade on this candle after this candle. It's not a problem. Okay, just wait, I will show you. So just wait. So you can see here, this is the breakout, right?
Yeah.
Okay, user, who is this? Yes. Yes, who is user here? Okay, you can see this is the breakout candle, right? This is the level, this is the breakout candle. You can't trade quickly on the next candle. You can't take this as a resistance for this candle. Okay, because if this is a fake breakout, it may go up and it will close. It may close as a strong bullish candle, right? Okay, just wait. Okay, hello, are there?
Yeah, bro.
Imran?
I'm here.
Yes, you can find here. This is fake breakout. If this is a fake breakout, if this is a real breakout, it may go more down, more down. But if this is a fake breakout, you may lose your trade here sometimes, right?
Yeah.
You can't trade quickly on the next candle. I think in the Hemraj videos, uh, trusted part videos, Hemraj trade on the next candle quickly. If there is a breakout, he will
And
trade here, right?
rejection. With a rejection, he may trade
With
the
rejection,
next. Yeah.
even there is a rejection, it won't work sometime.
Yeah.
Okay, because this is fake breakout. When there is a fake breakout, yeah, sometimes it may
Sometimes
sometimes
it
this
works,
candle
sometimes
close.
it doesn't.
Yes, sometimes it closes as a strong candle, right? If this candle closes as a strong candle, you can't win here, right?
Yeah.
It would be last trade for you. Okay, if you trade
Well, the
on
problem
this
is, bro,
candle.
how to identify what is fake breakout and what is not
Yes,
fake
I will.
breakout.
I will explain, but the today session is not about fake breakouts. I will explain tomorrow about fake breakouts on sellers area and buyers area. Now the topic is how to trade on strong levels. Yeah, always trade in the direction at the strong level with confirmation, and I will I will draw manually again. Okay, you can identify the strong levels with Fibonacci tool also, but not 100% surely we can't find. But when we draw manually in the past history, we can find the strong levels. Okay, so there is a level here. The market is the price bar is touching this level. Okay, the price bar is touching this level here, and here also it is touching. Okay, we can find the strong level if we draw the level here. Okay, you can see 23.6 level, and okay, it reversed. Okay, it reverse. Okay, I think this 23.6 level is working here, so we can consider this as a strong level. Okay, and we need to check the level is working or not. Okay, Okay, it reversed from the same level. Okay, it worked. It reversed. Okay, no problem. It is working. I think it reversed. Okay, you can see when market come to this level, it is reversing, right? So you can take this as a confirm strong level. I will go in the present chart. Okay, in 1 hour also it is working. Okay. Okay. So we can adjust the level according to the market. This breakout it reversed. Okay, this level is working, right? This level is working. Almost every time it is reversing from the same level. So if you want to trade here in the direction of the trend, you can trade here and here also. You can trade here in the direction of the trend. This candle closed below the level and this candle closed below the level with rejection. You can trade on the next level. You can trade without any confirmation. For the first time you can trade without any confirmation, but if you trade with confirmation, it will be sure shot of winning for you. Okay, when you trade with confirmation, it will be good. And it reversed from the same level. I think the level is from here to here, so we can trade on this level. When again market come to this level, you can trade. So this is spinning top, means it is reverse. It works as a reversal. It works as a reversal here because this is downtrend, this is small minor downtrend, and this is strong level. If you see the reversal candles at strong levels, you can trade. Just wait, Palka. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Palka.
Just one question. If you can scroll little right, little to the left, sorry.
Okay.
And minimize the chart. Okay, on the enough. Can you see on the left one which had a breakout candle? Left
This
side,
one?
left. No, left.
This
Yes,
one?
yes. Just before that was a spinning top. Before that
Okay.
candle.
Okay.
Before this candle.
Before this one, this one.
This one just closed below the
Level with rejection.
yes, but the next was a
But
higher
it played
option.
this level, right?
Yeah.
Because just wait, because of the strong bullish movement, right? Because of the strong bullish movement, right? Because of the strong bullish movement, this candle works as a continuation. And if I think there is no confirmation yet, okay, I will check it. Just wait. Okay, this candle, right? 11:17. Okay, we got some confirmations here, but there is no confirmation here.
The current candle.
Okay, this one very strong candle. This one very strong candle. This one again we are seeing one confirmation, but it breaks this level because because of this strong bullish movement. There is bullish movement. It breaks this level. Just wait, I will check.
ওটা যেহেতু স্ট্রং লেভেল, ভাঙার তো কথা নেই, স্ট্রং লেভেল, তারপরে একটা রিভার্সাল সাইন দিচ্ছে।
Okay, it is uptrend, and now you can see
এই কয়টা
there are strong
আগে তো
buyers movement, right? This one is very strong candle, and again this is very strong candle. This is continuation candle. Again there are a strong candle. There is a strong candle. This is a reversal candlestick actually, but even there is a reversal candlestick. Again we are seeing the buyers. It means when market close below the level, the next candle will reverse. Okay, without okay, I will show you some examples.
এবার করে কোথায় এটা হচ্ছে?
It will reverse below the level actually. It reversed. So you can see here this candle closed below the level, right? When market closed below the level, it means when candle closed below the level, it means it will reverse from this level. If you see one confirmation, you can trade here, but this is there is some gap. It means again there is a chance to form the candle like this or like this, because there are some gap between the level and the candle. But most of the time when candle didn't touch this level, it will reverse from this level. Most of the time it will work like this. Okay, so it didn't touch this level, again it reversed before the level. Yes, with this a downside row number is there, and there is break the row number line. Strong candle breaks row number near which spin up. It's a continuation candle. So sometimes row number will not work. Only some row numbers will work. We need to identify the row numbers. Okay. You can see this row number is working here. This row number is working. So you can consider this as a strong level. This is row number. It is working here, here, here. Even the breakout, it reverses from the same level. Okay, you can see it reverses from the same level. You can see it is working. So you can trust this row number, but sometimes it will also break the level. The row number sometimes will not work, but you can identify the strong level, strong row numbers. Only you need to check with past history the row number strongness. If you find the row number is very strong, then you can trade on the levels. And now the topic is here. Here is okay. So this one, because of the strong bullish movement, it break this level, because this is reversal candlestick. After this reversal candlestick, we can find a bearish candle, but we can't find a bearish candle. Still there are some buyers who are interested to enter into the market. You can see the buyers candle, so that's why it break this level. And and we are seeing here this one is trying to break this level. Okay, it break and again came to same level. So this is strong level. It break this level because of this bullish momentum. Just wait. Okay, because of this bullish momentum, there are strong bullish candles. There are strong bullish candles, and even there is a strong level. It didn't reverse. We are seeing the buyers candles. Buyers are still active in this session. That's why this spinning top works as a continuation. So you can see here for the first touch it reversed, but if it is red spinning top, then we can go for put option. Yes, we can trade. If this would be red spinning top like this, you can trade. If this spinning top would be a red spinning top like this, you can trade. But this and if this spinning top would be a red spinning top like this or like this, you can't trade with lower option again, because this is very weak spinning top. This is very strong bullish movement. It means it may break this level again. Okay, this weak spinning tops will not work sometimes, not sometimes, at this area, because this is very strong bullish movement. When you see the strong bullish movement, I will show you. Okay, this is strong bearish movement, strong bearish candle. Again we are seeing one small bullish spinning top. It didn't work here, and I will show you some examples. You can see here this is spinning top, bullish spinning top. It didn't work here. Even this is a level, right? Even this is a support level. Because of this support level it reversed, but this is very weak spinning top. This is strong bearish movement. That's why this candle can't this candle works as a continuation. This single candle can't stop this force. Okay, this is very strong bullish force, bullish movement. This single candle can't stop this force. If this candle close like this strong candle, it means it may go up. There is a chance to go up, but this is very small candle, weak candle, and this is strong bearish movement. Just wait. Okay, got it. Who is asking this question? User.
No, it was me. I got it.
Got it.
Yeah.
Because of this strong bullish movement, even there is a reversal candlestick, still buyers are active, right? That's why it breaks this level. Most of the time it will reverse. You can't win each and every trade on the strong levels, but your winning ratio will be good, right?
Yeah.
The winning ratio will be good. You can see it reverse. It didn't reverse because it tried here. It again trying to break this level. It is again trying. At last it breaks this level. So when market break this level, it works as a resistance level here, right? It reversed from the same level. When market touched this level, it reversed. You can see when market touched this level, it reversed. There are some rejections when market touched this level here also, because this is strong level. I think for the first time it didn't break. You can trade for the first time, but in the second time you can't trade for the second time, because it may break this level. You can trade here, you can't trade here because this is strong candle. It may break this level. You can't trade here because it tried 2 times to break this level. You can't trade here. If you want to trade here, you need to wait for the breakout. You can trade on the same level again. So always trade in the direction. Just wait. I will show you here. So you can see this is very strong candle. It reversed, right? This is very strong candle. It reversed. So this is very strong candle. After this candle, most of the people will place put option, but it reversed because this is Marubuji candle and this is very strong candle. Strong candles almost most of the time it will reverse the market. Most of the time, so only sometimes it will continue the market. Most of the time it will reverse the market. So this is strong candle reverse. This is strong candle reverse. This is strong candle reversed. So you can see strong candle reverse. Strong candles, we can't take the strong candles as a confirmation. Most of the time the strong candles will reverse the market. Okay, got it? You can see most of the time you can see it worked as a continuation. So most of the time it is reversing the market. Strong candles works as a reversal candlesticks. 70% of the time it will reverse the market. Okay, got the point? Most of the time it will reverse the market. Strong candles. So you can't take this type of long candles as a confirmation in 5 seconds. You can take this type of candle as a confirmation. This one also. This is weak candle. Okay, you can take this one also. This one also. This is also. Always take medium candles as a confirmation candles. And okay, this one. Okay. Okay, it is working. So this level is working. So you can trade on this level. In market come to this level, you can trade, but only in the direction of the trend. If you trade in the direction of the trend, it will give you some good winning ratio. Okay, only in the direction of the trend. This is downtrend. You can trade here. Okay. This is in ranging mode. The candle must close below the level. Always note this point. The candle must close below the level. You can trade quickly on this candle. So it means this is strong level. Strong level means you can trade on the strong levels. If you find a good confirmation, you can trade on the strong levels. Hi Abhi, is the class over for today? Okay, this is the strong level. Strong levels means you can trade on the strong levels, but the candle must close below the level, right? Must close below the level. If the candle must close, when you see the candle close below the level, you can trade on the next candle with confirmation. Confirmation like, we'll show you the confirmation here. So you can see this is the confirmation, and there is no confirmation here. Here this is the confirmation. Okay, This is the confirmation. So you can see when market coming to this level, sellers entered here. When market come to this level, sellers entered. Again, this is uptrend, it break this level, and again there is no good confirmation. You can see the good confirmation here. Here also, when market come to this level, there is no confirmation, it break this level, right? Again it break, no confirmation. You can find a confirmation here. So in the strong level, you can find so many confirmations. Okay, this one also. So you can see seller's entry here. Okay, you can't take, there is no seller's entry. So you can see seller's entry from the level. You can see the market is taking U-turn here, and you can see the seller's entry. When market hit this level, you can see the seller's entry. When market hit this level, you can see the seller's entry. This is very small seller's entry, but you can take this as a confirmation. Here there is no seller's entry here. Break this level. So okay, there are some seller's entry here, but still there are some buyers. So you can see so many sellers entry here, 1 2 3 4 5. So you can trade here. Okay, this is very strong candle, you can take this as a confirmation, but the candle closed below the level. You can see this candle closed just on the level. You can't take this as a confirmation. You can take this as a confirmation, but there is no confirmation here. These two are very weak candles. Okay, this is the breakout. You can see there is a confirmation here. Not, this is not confirmation. So okay, there is no confirmation here. You can see the confirmation here, right? You can see the strong confirmation here, and here the market is taking U-turn here. Here the market is taking U-turn. It means this is strong downtrend. At this area, there is no movement of downtrend. The market is moving flatly here. There is no trend here, and the market is taking U-turn from this level. This is strong level. Okay, you can find the strong confirmation here. No confirmation, no confirmation. You can see some confirmation. It is reversing again. Yeah, there are some confirmation here. Okay, you can see the confirmation. It closed above the level. Okay, there are so many confirmations here. Okay, there are some confirmation here. There are some small confirmations. Okay, you can see the strong confirmation here. You can see the strong confirmation. So the market is reversing from this level. It is taking U-turn. So this level, when market come to this level, some sellers and buyers are entering because this is very strong level. So always trade with confirmation. You can trade without confirmation, it's not a problem, but if you trade with confirmation, you will get some good winning ratio, because this is strong level. Strong level means it will, when market come to this level, it will reverse most of the time. Trade only for the first time, don't trade on the second time. You can see this is downtrend, this is breakout. You can trade here, you can't trade here because the market already tried to break this level. and it is again coming to break this level. It means it may break this level here. There is a chance to break this level. Okay, don't trade twice on the same level in the same direction. If you want to trade here, you need to wait for the breakout, and again when market touch this level, if you find one confirmation, you can trade. You can trade in the direction. This is downtrend. You can trade here with lower option. If market break this level, if market break this level, it will again come to the same level. Then you can trade here with uptrend, with higher option. You can trade here, but the candle must close below the level like this, or like this, or like this. But if you see the candle close below the level like this, if you see the breakout, you can't trade even if you get one confirmation. You can trade when you see the candle close below the level, you can trade here. It will also reverse again. Candle, and again you can see the buyers are trying to break this level very strongly. This is very strong candle, so it may break this level. There is a chance because it already tried to break this level, but this is strong candle, strong level. There is a chance to reverse the market, even there is a strong bullish candle. Okay, it is breaking the level. There is no confirmation here. This is very weak confirmation. Okay, you can see a strong seller's entry, right? Because of the strong level. Because of the strong level, you can find a strong confirmation here. Yeah, because this is very strong level. This candle closed on the level. It didn't break this level, right? If this candle break this level, it may go more up, but it didn't break this level. That's why it reversed. You can see the confirmation in this candle. Yeah, you can see the strong confirmation here, right? This candle closed below the confirmation. You can trade with the confirmation. If you get one confirmation here, you can't trade because it may be late entry. If you find a confirmation on the level, you can trade. If you get one confirmation on the level, you can trade. It will be winning trade for you, but don't trade when you find the confirmation far from the level. It may be late entry for you. Always when market come to this level, when market close below the level, you can trade. Even there is no rejection, you can trade, but don't trade when market break this level. When candle break this level, don't trade quickly on the next candle like Hemraj, or like this. Hemraj will trade on this level. If there is a breakout, he will trade with rejection at this level. Don't trade. If this would be a fake breakout, this candle will close below like this, right? Like this. So don't trade quickly on the next candle. If you want to trade, you need to wait for the breakout. Always trade. You don't trade when market break this level. Okay. Always draw the strong level manually. It will be good for you to identify the strongness of the level. Always draw manually, like going with past history, and check whether it is working almost every time or not. If the level works almost every time, you can trust the level. You can trade on the level. If you trade with confirmation on the level, it will be winning trade for you. Okay.
Hello, bro.
Yes.
This is Stan. I've got a question here.
Yes.
Can I use the cursor so that I could identify the exact spot?
Okay, you have option.
Oh, sorry.
To draw. Annotation option.
Right. In this area, it has break the trend.
Yes.
This has break the trend and it continued the trend. and
Yes.
at this very moment, this small candle, it shows that the sellers strength, the momentum of the sellers is decreasing. Uh,
Yes.
but still, then it goes down further. And if I trade, then I would have placed a call here. I mean the higher option, and
No,
the
no,
next.
no, no. If this would be a strong level, you can trade. Okay, always trade on the strong levels, not in the middle of the trend. Always trade on the strong levels. Strong levels, you can trust that strong levels. You can't trust here, right? You don't know whether this is a strong level or not, or this is a strong, support level or not. You don't know, right? If
Right.
you know this would be a strong level, this is a strong level, you can trade. Yeah, with this, excellent, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
And one thing
Hmm.
here, I will show you one thing here. Okay, I will show you. This is not weak. You can't take this as a weak candle, but I will show you the weak candles. Just wait. So you can see here. Okay, no, this is not good. Okay, okay, you can see here. So this is the weak candle here. Okay, you can see this is strong candle, right? This is weak candle. Then this is very weak candle with compared to this candle, and this is
এখন
very
আমাদের
weak candle with
সমালোচনা
compared to
করবে ও
this
যে
candle. It
এখানে যা
means
বলতেছে
it may reverse from this level. You can see this is strong candle, this is very weak candle, this is not weak candle, because you can't take this as a weak candle. The weak candle will form like this. This is very strong candle, this is very weak candle, then this, and this is very weak candle. It means the buyers are becoming very weak at this area. So it, we can take this as a weak candle. These are very strong candles. After these strong candles, you can find you are seeing one indecision candle. Indecision means we need to take a decision after this candle. We can't take any decision here because this is indecision candle, but we can take a decision by analyzing the previous candles. You can see there are lots of buyers pressure, right? This is indecision. Indecision means we can't take any decision. We need to take a decision. There are some buyers first, and there are still some buyers, and we don't know the level is sellers area or not. Okay, and we are, and there is no sellers candle here, right?
Right.
Still there are strong buyers candle. So after this candle again buyers will enter, because there is equal force between buyers and sellers, but we are seeing the strong bullish movement here. So after this candle buyers will continue their trend, right? Buyers will enter again because this is very strong bullish movement. If you find the spinning top, you need to analyze the market before taking decision. After the spinning top, I will show you one more example. Yeah. So you can see here, this is spinning top candle. This is very strong candle. You can see this is uptrend, right? This is uptrend, strong bullish movement. Strong bullish movement. After spinning top, buyers will enter because this is very strong candle, and this candle very weak bearish candle. It means there are no enough sellers. That's why it formed as a doji candlestick. If this candle closes as a bearish candle, it means there are some strong sellers, right? And okay, spinning tops will continue the market. It will not reverse the market sometimes, but it depends upon the situation, it works as a reversal candlesticks here.
Yeah.
It works as a continuation here because of this strong bearish momentum. This is very strong bearish movement. After the bearish movement, it works as a continuation. Okay, if you find the strong bearish movement and bullish movement, if you find a spinning top, it means it may continue the candle, it may continue the trend. There is more chances to continue the trend. Okay, sometimes it will reverse. Okay, if you find the spinning top at the strong SNR point, you can take this spinning tops as a reversal candlesticks. You can see here, you can find the spinning top candles as a reversal candlesticks. Okay, you can trade on the after spinning top. If you see one spinning top candle at the strong levels, you can trade quickly on the next candle because this is reversal candlesticks. Okay, if you find the spinning top at the strong level, it will reverse the market.
Okay.
I will show you some more examples. Most of the time, it will reverse the market. Okay. So this is spinning top, but far from the level. So most of the time, it will reverse the market. So we don't know the strongness of the level. So if you find a spinning top at the strong level, you can use the candle as a reversal candlestick. You can trade without any confirmation. It will work most of the time. Okay, 90% of the time it will work. Okay, you can find one confirmation. Yes, you can see one reversal candlestick here. After this reversal candlestick, you can trade with lower option in the direction of the trend. Right, always trade in the direction of the trend. It will work. If you trade in the direction of the trend, you can see this is downtrend from here to here. There are so many bearish candles, right? And there are very few bullish candles. So if you trade in the direction, if you go with the trend, you have so many opportunities to win, right? If you go against the trend, there are only few opportunities to win your trade, right? There are only few opportunities. So always follow the trend. If you follow the trend, it will give you some good winning ratio. Always trade at the strong level in the direction of the trend. Strong levels will give you some good. I got to go to work. Okay, no problem. Who is this? Just wait. Okay, just wait. Unmute. Yes. Do you have any questions? You can ask me here. Yes. Ask me if you have any questions. You can ask me. Yes, Vamshi.
Bro, can you please do 1 or 2 trades for us?
Now
Yeah.
on the strong levels.
Yeah, bro.
Just wait. Anyone is there? If you have any questions, you can ask me. Hello.
Bro, I am here.
Is there anyone?
Yeah, I am
Yes.
Imran.
Who is this?
I'm Imran.
Imran. Yes, Imran.
Bro, the resistance line that you have drawn, it's
Yes.
been tested for 2 times, so it's risky to trust it again, right?
Trade on. Yes. It
3
already
times.
worked here. It again working. It reversed from the same level. It is again trying to break this level, right? The market is still trying to break this level. Again, it is coming to break this level. It means it may break this level. You can see the buyers are coming very strongly, right?
Yeah.
So it may break this level. You can't trade here. If you want to trade here, you need to. If you want to trade here, you need to wait for the breakout. Okay, after the breakout, the market again will come to same level. Then you can trade. You can see the buyers are coming very strongly to break this level. So it means it may break this level. There are more chances to break this level.
Yeah.
Okay, and I draw this level as a with Fibonacci tool. But if you draw it manually, you can find some good. Who is this? You are talking here? Hello, hello, Paul. Paul is there. Henry. Hello,
Andre are disturbance from Andre are.
Andrea.
Yeah.
Okay. And okay. Paul is there.
I can hear you.
Okay. Do you have any questions, Paul?
No.
Okay, Amshi.
One or two.
Yes.
Notice one or two left side.
Okay. నువ్వు నువ్వు అంజిత్ మనం ముగ్గురం ఉందామా, మిగతా వాళ్ళందరినీ డిలీట్ చేస్తా.
Yeah, okay.
మనకు తెలుగులో డిస్కస్ చేసుకునే ఈజీ ఉంటుంది.
Yeah,
Okay, is there anyone to ask me questions?
Bro, I have a question. I'm Imran here.
Yes, who is this? Imran. Yes, Imran.
Bro, it was an uptrend, right? Before it was an uptrend.
Yes, this
It
one.
was
This is uptrend.
It is an uptrend, and this level worked as a support here first time, right?
Yes.
And after this green candle, it reversed.
Yes.
But we are going against the trend. Is it right to go against the trend to take the first?
Which one? Which one? Show me. Which one?
Okay, bro, I'm showing you. Can I take a trade here with a put option after this green candle?
Just wait. After this green candle,
Yeah.
you can trade with put option.
But bro, I'm
It's not a
going
problem.
against the trend. I'm going against the trend.
Yes. Now the trend is downtrend. Okay. The major trend is uptrend. The minor trend is now downtrend. You can trade
All because of this strong level. That's why.
because of the strong level.
Okay.
Okay. Already I explained you about strong levels. Strong levels will always work. Most of the time it will reverse when market come to this level. Most of the time it will reverse. You can see this is after breakout. It reversed. It tried 3-4 times to break this level, right? Again it tried 1, 2, 3, 4 times to break this level, right? Because of the strong level. Got it? This is very strong level. It tried 4 times to break this level. It means you can trust this level, trade on this level. Okay, this is strong level. You can use this minor downtrend to trade. Okay,
Yeah.
this is not against the trend. This is uptrend. Okay, no problem. You can trade here with in the direction of the trend because this is uptrend. Because this is not downtrend, right?
Yeah.
This is really just some strong bearish movement. This is not downtrend, but you can consider this whole trend as a minor downtrend, right?
Okay.
This is now minor downtrend. You can trade in the direction of the trend. This is minor trend. You can trade here, no problem. You can
I
trade
trade here, bro?
Which one? You can trade here. It's
Here,
not a problem,
here,
but
here. With the call option.
you can trade. Yes, you can trade. Just wait. Okay, you can trade here
Yeah,
and
bro.
here also. But if you trade once, you can't trade for the second time because it may break this level. There is a chance to break this level. It's better to trade not on the second time, but you can trade on the second time also. It's not a problem because of the strong level. It will work sometimes, sometimes it may not work. That's why if you trade for the first time, it will be good.
Okay.
Okay, trade only for the first time. When market touch for the first time, if you find one good confirmation, you can trade. Okay, you no need to wait for the candle close below the level. You can trade for the first time without with confirmation. It's not a problem. But if you wait for the candle close below the level, it will be good. So you can trade without any rules. You can see here the market touch this level, reversed. If you find the confirmation for the first time, you can trade here also, here also, here also. If you find one confirmation for the first time, you can trade. It's not a problem.
Bro,
But if
but
you wait,
here, but
yes,
bro, but in here, sellers was too much strong. How can I know that this level will hold? From this point,
here,
seller
which one?
entered very strongly, right?
This point?
Yeah, bro. This previous two
Yes,
red candle was too strong.
we can't trade. I already told you this is a very strong candle. We can't trade because it already reversed, right? It
Yeah.
already worked here. You can't trade on the second time. But if you find one confirmation, you can trade on the second time also. It's not a problem. You can trade on the second time also. But it's not good to trade on the second time. If you trade on the first time, leave it and wait for the breakout and then trade, because you have so many pairs, right? You have so many pairs. In each pair, you will get so many strong levels, right? Not only one single level. You will get so many strong SNR points. So you have so many opportunities to trade. No need to worry about anything, and no need to wait for anything. If you draw the level here, okay, you can see. If you draw the level here, you can find another level at the same level, right? Same point. So you can draw here, and you can find a strong level here also, and here also. There are so many strong levels in each pair. You can find so many strong levels, and there are so many pairs. It means there are so many opportunities to trade. Okay, Imran,
Okay, bro.
got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, you have so many opportunities, and you can't trade quickly with these two sessions. There are more points to clarify your doubts. If you at the end of this training, you can trade on real account with good confidence. Okay, this is
Okay.
not main point, and I will explain so many points tomorrow. Then you can trade on real account, but before trading on real account, you must practice on demo account. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and I will give you videos also uh, in the end of the training session. I will give you some ebooks and videos. It will help you to get some good knowledge, and practice is very important. If you practice well, you will get some good confidence. When you get some good confidence, there is no scope of emotions. Okay, you will trade with confidence. You can trade with confidence, with no fear, with no greediness. Okay. Okay, clear?
Yes, clear. Thank you.
Okay, who is this? Next, and Paul, Andrew. Andrew is there?
Yeah, Samir.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to end up this session. We can continue our class from tomorrow at 11 o'clock. 11 a.m. Indian time. Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Stop.